guys, I am so excited for this. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I used to do beauty boxes. I did. I used to do beauty stuff, but then it just got to be too much money, so I cut back a lot. I do just Walmart. But guess what? You guys should know what this is. You guys should know what this is. If you guys are like me, I love Jeffree Star. I love his makeup. I wear his makeup literally every day. Everybody's always asking, like, what eyeshadow are you wearing? What color eyeshadow do you wear? 90% of the time, I'm wearing his palettes. I have a couple of his palettes that I absolutely love. And I'm a bargain shopper, and this is a bargain shopper deal. So I don't know if this is available. These boxes don't sell out as fast as they used to be. Like back in the day, a couple years ago, they would sell out within 5 minutes. The beauty community is just not as big as what it is. But when I saw that he announced this, I'm like, I have to get it. He does do them from time to time, but Halloween is my ultimate time to get these boxes. He had 2 boxes come out. This one was $70 and the other one was like $100. I can't remember how much the other one was, but I was like asking the husband, I'm like, what could I get? Because I really absolutely love his boxes. And so what happened is, I'll find the box real quick. I found a screenshot. So what happens, he posted on Instagram that they were doing mystery boxes. This one was $70 and it has $283 worth of product. It contains 13 items. Awesome. But the other one is $120. So if I spent a little bit more, I would have gotten one that is a $465 value for 120 bucks. But the only deal is that one was 15 items. So I clicked it and it didn't ask me what size I was. So I'm like, okay, if it doesn't involve clothes, I'm not going to do it. But we got the $70 box, and I'm pretty excited to see what we got. It's been a year since I bought one of these boxes. I think I only buy them around Halloween because Halloween is by far my favorite. So, voila. He did say if you bought anything from the one thing, you would got a free gift. I did not get an extra box in this. So that is okay if I didn't get the free item. His lipsticks are nice, but they're always random colors and I don't wear it. But here we got just like a little card that they always do. This is his latest palette. I think it's called Goth Beach, which is kind of cool. And then you got a little picture of Jeffree. But purple. If you guys haven't noticed, purple is my favorite color. So we're just going to dig in and see what we got. One thing I like about these tissues is I can reuse them. So here they have just the one lipstick all by itself. It was just sitting right here on top of the thing. So this might have been the freebie. Shake well before use. So it's called Bricked Up. It is a mini velour liquid lipstick. We're gonna open it from the bottom. So it looks like it is it says shake well. Shake well. Let's see. Ooh, this is actually a pretty decent color. So we have a little sample of the, it kind of looks like, it's a solid color. I'm more of a metallic person, but it's like a brown. That's kind of cool. I like it. Yes, I'm going to grab a paper towel. I got a paper towel right here. Yeah, so I don't know. Some of his like lip colors are just not my color, but I still like it. I live for the eyeshadow. That's mostly what I live for. So so that might have been the freebie. Yes, because everything else is under here. So I got maybe 16 items. Whew. Okay. So the first thing I see is this wet, I don't even know what this one's called. I think I have this one. I think I have this palette. Yeah, weirdo. Yeah, I have this palette. I got this last time. The colors I really do like is the silver because I use the silver like crazy. But it is a mini palette of Weirdo. So I have this one. It's okay. I'm gonna save this until my other one goes dead anyways. But I know this is like usually like 30 or 40 bucks. So we got that. Ooh. Oh, awesome. Eyegloss powder. This is something that is brand new. There's 2 of them in here. I'm just gonna have to get my handy dandy knife. Okay. My husband got me this knife for my birthday a couple years ago. It is called, it's a sprinkle donut is what it is, and he gets so excited when I use it. So I ended up getting 2 of these eye gloss powders. This one is called Black Onyx, and this one is called Crystal Joint. I don't know what these are. I don't follow his stuff as much as I used to, but let's see what this is. Okay, so it's in the box. I gotta somehow get it out of the box. Ooh, oh sweet. So it's just like a little, it's a little powder. Sorry, I'm not trying to flick you off. It's just a little like pressed powder that you can put on your eyeshadow. That's kind of cool. I really like it. It's like it's kind of like a white gloss. So we got that one, and then the Black Onyx is, this one's easier to get. Ooh, it's a black sparkle eyeshadow. Sweet. I like that. I love this. I love eyeshadow. Just love, 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 love eyeshadow. So here we got those 2 right there. Now I see 6 individual eyeshadows. I don't know if you can still buy these individually, but I do like it. We have a Glamour Shot eyeshadow, so it just looks like it's like pure white. Ooh, this is a pretty blue. We got a Grand Prismatic, and it looks like it's a nice pretty blue. Yes, that's a nice blue. So yes, yes, yes. One thing I do like about these is, like, if you're looking for a certain color, you can always get it. But I love his eyeshadow, but I really like the sparkly one. The next one we have is Wyoming, which is like a brown, which is actually kind of perfect because I have blonde eyebrows, and I actually like kind of use this. I use this stuff for eyebrows, but they discontinued it, and I'm like, I could always just use eyeshadow for my eyebrows. So this is even perfect for that. Then we have, ooh, it is a deep blue, but it is metallic. It's called Winter Wind, and that is gorgeous. I love it. It's like a metallic navy blue. So we got that. And then we have Persuasion, which looks like it's another brown. And then we have Crocodile Tears, which is a green. All of these are solid except that one blue, which is okay because I always kind of mix it in with the silver one. So yes. Now I see we have 5. This does not seem right. Like, they said, how many items was I supposed to get? 13. We got 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I got 19 items in here? That's not right. That's okay. Okay. We got lipsticks, you guys. Something's, I don't know, but I'm pretty excited. So we got some more mini liquid lips. The one color is Spooky Makeover, and the other one is Wrong Turn. So let's just see. I'm just gonna rip the packaging. We're just gonna rip it open. So here is a nice like purple. It looks kind of like, it's a little bit darker than my shirt, but it's a nice like a plum color. So that looks really nice. And then the next one we have is, ooh, this is a pretty pink. It's like a, I don't even know. It's pretty. I like it. I like it. So yes, now we have 3 of these mini liquid lips. And now we have more lipstick. These are all just regular size of the velour lipstick. We have Red Rum, Designer Blood, and Deceased. So let's just dig these in and see what we got. So the first one, ooh, that's a nice pretty solid red. I wish I could, like, I should start wearing lipstick. I should, because why not? Why not? Then we have like a nice like little purple, like, see, it's hard for me to wear these kind, but I should wear them. I should wear them, especially like around the house if I don't want to go anywhere, just to keep my lips looking nice. Yes. So here we have 3 of the velour liquid lips. So we got Red Rum is this one, and then Deceased and Designer Blood, which that does look like blood. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now, here is Velvet Trap. So this is a lipstick. This color is Gravedigger. Gravedigger. I like the sound of that. Yes. Let's see. One thing is, I absolutely love the shape of his lipstick. I have some lipstick from him, or like a lip balm that I bought a while ago. And I went to a concert one day and I'm like, I shouldn't have this in my pocket because somebody's gonna think it's a real bullet, so I had to leave it off. But it is like a dark, it's a dark color. Let's just put this on. We're just gonna put it on. It kind of has like a taste to it. Like a vanilla or frosting. Yes, I could wear this. I could get away with wearing, why not? Why not? So yes, we got that. There's more. Here we have a Jeffree Star, mascara. I love mascara. I am super excited to try this mascara. So it's a nice little packaging right here. It's black, which I love. Okay, so it has a tassel to it. Like, how cute is that? But here it is. It's got like a nice like matte finish. I'm really excited to try his mascara. But a nice mascara. I'm really excited. Like, I've been trying some mascara and like it flakes onto my eyes when I'm putting it on, but yeah, love it, love it. And it comes with a cute little case. Like, I'm pretty excited, and I can't remember the prices. I know this is a newer item that he's recently posted, so yes. Now, here's something that I like. I kind of cut back on silly socks because they dry my feet out, but these don't look like they are that, they don't look like they're cheap socks. They're just regular. It looks like kind of like knee-high, almost knee-high socks, or goes up past your calf. But it just says Jeffree Star. Kind of reminds me of my Scream socks that I have. But we got some socks, which is awesome. And then there's one, there's one last item in here. And it looks like it's a coin purse, you guys. This is cool. This would be like a perfect thing to have when you're going out for Halloween. Oh my god, this is awesome. It is a knife coin purse. So it's just a little thing in here, but that is so cool. I absolutely love this. I love this. It's got like your handprints, like you just somebody, but that's kind of cool. This is like a perfect little thing to carry you for Halloween. Like, I'm taking my kids trick-or-treating. Let's just take this with us, you know? Let's just take this with us. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And that is everything that I got. So, like I said, I paid $70 for that. And it says contains 13 items, and then in dash it says 4. So I don't know if we're supposed to receive 17 items or 13 items. But between this, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 items, you guys. 19 items for 70 bucks. 19 items for 70 bucks. I absolutely love it. I am so excited to try the mascara. That's one thing I absolutely am excited for. I need to see if he has individual palettes where you can just get these, where, because I have a couple of these where I can just put them in his palettes. Otherwise, I know you can take them out of the other ones, but I want to see if he has one. Otherwise, I have an Ulta one that is empty that I could just put that in there. But I'm really excited to try out this eyeshadow. Yes, but I absolutely love everything that I have. You guys could check their website to see if it's still available, but I am beyond excited for everything that I got. I don't know. If they do one for Christmas, I kind of want to try one for Christmas, but he always does one for Halloween. It's like his thing, but yes. I have a makeup bag of his, and I absolutely love it. It fits so much in there. Like, I'm contemplating on getting a second one because when I travel, I need 2 different bags. One for all, like, my makeup, and then I need another one for, like, all my personal, like, you know, my hairbrush, my hairspray, shampoo, conditioner. I'm thinking getting another one because those things are so convenient, and I absolutely love it. But I am super excited to try all this stuff out. If you guys want to see me wear more makeup or more lipstick stuff in my videos, please let me know because I'm willing to try these out. I'll try them out. Let's just try it out. So yes, but I love it. Thank you, Jeffree. I know you won't watch this video, but thank you, Jeffree, for all the awesome stuff. Kind of disappointed in having this palette because I got this last year, but that's okay. I'm still going to use it. But I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.